So these guys are cutting a tree over here. They're cutting it about 20 feet up from the ground, which doesn't make any sense because there's still like all this up here. And their rope that they've got tied to it is about right here, nowhere up in here. And it started going this way towards their truck and trailer and house. They caught it with the rope. It's pretty damn windy. So if they get another good wind gust, that tree is going down on their shit. It looks like it's... He got his saw stuck in it. The wind's blowing from this way. The guy's trying to get the tree to fall that way. He's cutting it from this side with his saw into it. And of course, with the wind blowing, it pinched the saw on the tree. These guys have been out here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And they've got like a few limbs cut off. They don't know what they're doing. Ain't too bright. I don't think this is going to end too well. He's getting back in the lift underneath this tree. These people ain't too bright. Not too bright. If another bunch of heavy wind comes through, they might just be shit out of luck. Clouds are getting it. They got a truck hooked to it. You always gonna smash his truck. Watch him, he's gonna smash his freaking truck. Oh, broke the rope, and now it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Oh shit. If they get a good gust of wind, that's coming down. It was snapping when they grabbed the rope. Now the rope's busted. They better keep their fingers crossed for no wind and get that shit out from underneath of it. Yeah, back your truck up closer to it. That's what you do. Here comes the wind. Oh. Sorry, guys. Yeah, get your truck out of there. It's snapping. There it goes. It's making snapping sounds, that's for sure. Get your people out the house. There it goes. It's coming down. Dude just smashed his house. Holy shit. Right down the middle. He just crushed his house right down the middle.
What?
Smashed it.
Oh my god.
Right down the middle. These people just moved in like not too long ago. They got an autistic son. Damn. That sucks. Holy shit. I said that's what was going to happen. That went through the house. Cut the house in half.
Oh my god.
God damn, that sucks.